Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming, and the most likely reason that you click on this video is most likely you forgot your password, your PIN or your pattern, alright, to unlock your Samsung phone. And this is a very common issue, alright, especially, there's a lot of people that's facing this issue, especially if you're like elderly parents or like, your kids manually just like accidentally set like certain PIN or password or pattern, and basically there's no way of you getting bypassed that unless you do a factory reset. Even that, you can't even factory reset it because you have to remember the PIN or passcode to unlock it. But you're in luck today because today I have the perfect solution for you, and it is totally with the help of this software right here. So this is the passfab Android unlock, and we're using this software to help my friend unlock his Android device. So basically what happened was his kid, alright, his phone doesn't have a pin on it. Somehow he, let his kids watch some YouTube videos, and in the end, there's a pin on it. So he was weird out because like his kid's probably like 5-6 years old, so probably he might have just accidentally set up a pin or something unknowingly, and and so there's no way of him unlocking his own phone. So he come to me and asked me if I have any solution, and I was looking at this like passfab Android unlock, and I just like downloaded it, try it out, and just try out and help it out for you and see if it works. And in the end, it works really well. I was so happy, and he thanked me really well. So this is one that that actually works, and I would like to recommend it to you guys. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself, and followed by I'll be showing you guys the demonstration itself of removing the pin to your Samsung phone, or basically any pattern or password itself. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself. Let's go. Alright, so as you guys can see behind me, this is the passfab Android unlock, and they have two different features that you guys can use as well. So if you have a Google FRP lock, alright, it's basically you reset the account and the person never signed up the account you have facing with Google FRP lock, you guys can use this software to remove the Google FRP lock as well. But today we'll be focusing on the removing of the screen lock, and all you guys have to do is just to click on remove screen lock, alright, and select your phone model. Alright, you guys can see they do support all kinds of different phone models as well. Alright, and if your model isn't listed here, you guys just can click on the Android one itself. Alright, but today since we are talking about Samsung, so we just go to click on Samsung. Alright, and after that you guys can see the kind of unlocking solution they have. Alright, they have clear device data, alright, or keep device data, but only for supported of early Samsung devices like the Galaxy Note series and the Galaxy S3 series. Alright, but if you are like the newer models, alright, you guys can select this option right over here and just click on start, and just connect your affected device to your PC or your laptop, and just follow the on-screen instructions to get your phone unlocked within minutes. Alright, and you guys can start using your phone right away. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the full demonstration itself, so you guys can see how easy and how straightforward the whole unlocking process is. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the unlocking process itself. Let's go. So once I click on start, alright, it will just ask me to connect my phone to my computer, and once it's connected, it should auto detect and you will start removing the Google lock. Alright, at this time it will probably take about 5 to 10 minutes depending on your phone model and how old your phone is. Alright, but you just need to sit back, relax, your phone should restart a few times, and after that, alright, you guys can sign with your own Google account. There's no more FRP lock or any pin lock at all. So yeah, this is the whole demonstration itself. Very straightforward, very easy. As you guys can see, after setting up, I'm inside my phone, no more locks, lock screen, no more FRP lock, everything is as usual. I can use my phone right now. So yeah, this is how easy it is just to get your phone unlocked in less than 5 to 10 minutes time with just a click of a single button. Alright, as you guys have seen from the whole demonstration itself, it's very straightforward, very easy. Just click a few simple buttons, alright, and after that, just get a cup of coffee or tea, sit back and relax, and within a few minutes time, your phone should be unlocked and you guys can start using your phone right away. So this is how simple and how straightforward it is, and it's super reliable. Alright, after helping my friend unlock his phone, alright, he's been using his phone until now, and there's no issue at all. He can create a new PIN, a new passcode, sign with your own Google account. The phone works really well with zero issues at all. So this is one thing that I will highly recommend you guys if you are facing the same issue right now. Alright, so as you guys have seen the whole demonstration process itself, and you guys want to get this software right now and start unlocking your phone right away, well, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this for yourself right now, and you guys can start using your phone within a few minutes time. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and check this out. All right, and this is way better comparing to going to third-party services for them to help you. You got to like spend like 4 to 5 times. They'll charge you way more than getting this license for the software itself, and you probably have to like factor in like the travel time as well as the petrol cost to drive all the way there and come back. All right, and they are probably using the same software to do so. So once again, if you want to check out this, all right, passfab Android unlock, you guys check out the first link in the video description down below and get this software for yourself right away and start unlocking your phone and using it within a few minutes time. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. If you find this video really interesting and really helpful, do give it a thumbs up and comment down below your phone model as well. So yeah, that's all for today, guys, and this is 𝖩forcegaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.